So this is Cadbury milk tray, and Ayush, yeah, you, this one is in a bad. Okay, and these are the descriptions. Oh, there's some honey chocolate also. Take this one, baby. Huh? Take this one. I'll just try it.
I took the honey crunch.
Really? You don't have it fully. Now share it, okay? So that we also get to taste how it is. Right? So you taste some of this. Which one was that?
Honey crunch.
Is there more of the honey crunch?
Yeah.
I'll just take a small bite of it.
Let's try the fudge one.
Okay, little bite. Sure.
Now let's save this.